Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. You all are practicing every day. So in today's video, I am going to talk about a very important question that many learners ask. How can I think in English? This is the common question. This is the common problem of many learners they face in their beginning. Whenever we try to speak English, the biggest problem is not grammar, not words. The biggest problem is thinking in our mother tongue first, then translating into English. Yes, I also used to do the same thing. Earlier, whenever I wanted to speak English, first I would think in my native language, then I used to translate into English. After that, I used to speak English. Because of it, my English was very poor. My speaking speed was very slow and confidence was very low. Many times I used to think I am applying right strategy. I am translating everything in good way, but I am not improving. After putting lot of efforts, one day I realized simple thing. I understood one truth. To speak effortlessly, we must start thinking in English. So let me tell you how I started thinking in English step by step. Step number 1, start with simple thoughts. Friends, in the beginning, there is no need to think complex sentences. There is no need to think big thoughts in the English. Start with simple or easy thoughts. For example, you can try to think like, I am drinking milk, I am writing a letter, I am reading newspaper, and I am cleaning my house. Like this, you can try to think in English. Doing anything in your daily life, even your daily activities, describe them in English. Yes, there is no need to worry about mistakes because there is no one to judge you. There is no one to criticize you. At first, it feels difficult. It seems impossible, but when you do same thing every day, after some time your mind will feel relaxed and comfort. Step number 2, talk to yourself in English. We all keep talking ourselves in our mother tongue all day long. This is the powerful habit. If you want to speak English, if you want to think in English, talk to yourself in English at least for 5 to 10 minutes. You can talk about your day, your activities, your plan, your needs, your desires, anything. Don't worry about mistakes because no one is there to judge you. No one is listening you. No one is observing you. Step 3, stop translating word to word. Friends, when we start learning English, we start learning English with grammar, words, sentence structures and translation. After learning grammar rules, we all make many sentences. We all translate different type of things. But whenever it comes to speak English, we apply same strategy. We start translation. We start translating everything word to word. But whenever we are not able to understand correct word, correct sentence structure, we stuck. Yes, we stuck. And then we stop speaking. Friends, this is the problem. So if you are also translating everything word to word, stop doing this. Yes, because this is the biggest problem. While speaking, you should not think too much about grammar. For example, if you forget words temperature, it's okay, no problem. You can say, it's very cold today, it's very hot today. Step 4, think in English about your feelings. Friends, whenever it comes to speak English, whenever it comes to think in English, most of us start thinking about topics, about grammar rules, advanced words and advanced sentence structures. It happens, but it's not right strategy. If we want to think in English, if we want to speak English, just start thinking about your feelings. Friends, real fluency comes when you think about your feelings, about your emotions, your needs, your desires, because these emotions, feelings, and desires are very close to our heart. For example, you can think about your feelings like I am feeling nervous, I'm exhausted, I'm tired, I'm improving slowly and gradually. Like this, you can think about your emotions and feelings. Step 5, be patient and consistent. Yes, friends, fluency doesn't happen in one day. You have to keep patience. You have to maintain consistency. Many times, many learners think negative after some time. They start with full excitement, they start with full motivation, but after some time, if they don't see results, if they don't see progress, they feel demotivated, they feel disappointed, and after that, they give up. Why? Because they don't have patience, they can't maintain consistency. So if you want to improve your English, if you want to become fluent in English, you have to be patient, you have to maintain consistency. This is the biggest rule of learning anything. Friends, you can start thinking in English with small and easy sentences. There is no need to worry about mistakes, there is no need to worry about sentence structures, there is no need to worry about advanced grammar rules and words. If you are making mistakes, it's okay because it's a natural process. The good thing is there, no one is observing you, no one is judging you, and no one is there to criticize you. If you are thinking in English, most important thing is only you are observing your mistakes, not others. After observing your own mistakes, you can correct them. No problem. Believe me, one day you will feel more confident and better than today. If this video is helpful for you, don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.